Alright, here we have a 1967 Eleanor. I think this is one of the cleanest Eleanors out there, and I'd like to show you some of the highlights of this car. We have 408 stroker. It's a 351 Windsor. It's brought out to 408. He puts out 505 horsepower. We have a 150 nose shot. So we'll have like 650 horsepower. We try to get all polish or chrome things for this engine. We try to use the best components we could find on the market. As you can see, it looks very clean. The underside and engine band is painted to the color of the car, and it has 3 coats of clear coat. It's a show car. It's pretty clean. I like to move on to the tires. I used Michelin tires on this car. The PS2. We have Baer brakes. These are the 6 Piston Shelby Brakes. The rear tires are 335, 35, 17, and we use an 11-inch wheel on the back. We use an 11-inch wheel on the back, and again we have the Shelby Baer brakes. We have the red option added to it. You can see the wheel of the tire there. It has a lot of traction. Okay. Let me show you the trunk. Here we have the polish nose bottles, and we have some of the sound system here. We use only the finest, what we believe is the finest gel audio amps. Here we have a W710 from gel audio. We use component speakers. We have a backup camera. I'm going to show you the interior. We've actually been working on this car for over 2 years. All the interior is completely new. Everything on this car is brand new. We put all the gauges, all the electrical system in it. We put an in-dash navigation system, so we had to mold it into the dash. We didn't have to cut anything into the dash. What looks really clean. We have the Deluxe interior on this car with aluminum panels. So all the panels for the inside are new. We have a Shelby shifter. So far I haven't seen one like this in the car. You can see the logo on the side. We have the Go Baby Go Shelby button. One has that. This is a manual car with a Tremec TKO 600. It's a 5-speed. New seats, Procar. We have the Shelby console, as you could see there. All the glass on this car is brand new. All the parts we put into this car actually are new. There's really nothing that is like old in it or rusted. It's completely like rust free. And as you can see, I mean, I think this is one of the nicest cars out there. Like I said, the engine puts out 505 horsepower, and we have a 373 differential. We have Positrack on it. We use the Total Control Products suspensions. We have coil over suspension in it. Manual rack and pinion from Total Control Products. We have the Monte Carlo Total Control Products engine braces. We used all the original equipment that they put in the original Eleanors. The car has all air conditioner. Yeah, so this has been a 2-year restoration. Everything on this car is brand new. The car handles pretty good. It's got a lot of power.